Yan.
Hello, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Mikoy. I am a little boy. I have a big pinatay.
Sige, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Sige, aside from chicken, what else do you like? How about vegetable? What is your favorite vegetable?
I like chicken.
Chicken pa rin? Hindi, yung aside from chicken, one with 4 feet.
I like two chickens.
Chicken pa rin? O, iba na lang.
Alikot na kami.
What else do you like?
I like to play sports.
What is your favorite sport?
I like to play basketball.
Wow, basketball. What else?
I like to play golf.
Oy, good, social. What else?
I like to play tong-it.
Ay, ano ba tong-it? Mas yun, pang matanda yun. What else aside from tong-it?
Pusoy dos.
Pusoy dos. Bad yun, bad. At what else do you like?
I like girls.
Oh, you tell daddy you like girls.
Daddy, I like girls.
Oh, you sing na lang. You sing a song na lang. You know how to sing?
Yes.
Oh, you sing a song na lang.
To all the girls I loved before, who traveled in and out my door, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
What yung Barbie girl? Ano?